Okay, now let's look at question 21. Do you mind changing channel? So, this is do you mind. So, when you encounter the word mind, right? Okay, you don't need to add to, no need. You just, the main verb at the back, you just add ing. So, this is the correct answer A. Do you mind changing? Okay, or do you mind eating? Do you mind bringing? All right. So, remember, after mind, just add ing at the main verb. Okay, now number 22. Okay, Jim, right, the answer is not had visited, but is A, has visited. So James has visited many different places since he moved to England. All right, so what does it mean here, has visited many different places? This is an experience. Okay, so for experience, right, you gotta use present perfect tense. This is present perfect tense. For any experiences, you gotta use present perfect tense. So that's why A is the answer. Right? Okay, number 23. He had a terrible headache. He had been revising for his exam all day. Yes, A is the correct answer. Right? First of all, okay, you can see the keyword all day and then you see the word had. When you have the keyword all day, it's either had been revising or has been revising. Cannot be would revise. Okay, had been revising, this is what we call past perfect continuous, and has been revising is present perfect continuous tense. So both can be used for this question. But why do we choose A, had been revising? Because another keyword here. This happened in the past. So we are talking that he had this terrible headache in the past. So that's why we use he had been revising. Okay? 24. It isn't warm enough to go on a picnic. That's correct. The meaning here is 不够温暖啊, right? So we want to go for a picnic. We want to go on a picnic. 野餐. So maybe now it's winter. All right? So we couldn't go on a picnic because it's not warm enough. 不够温暖, right? 25. Our neighbors are having their roof repaired by a builder. Yeah, B is the correct answer. So this is the causative. Okay, this is a topic about a causative. So the causative for the formula is you have the word have, the object, and past participle. This is the formula. Have, object, plus the main verb in past participle form. This is the formula. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Our neighbors are having their roof repaired by a builder, which means, right, 那个天花板那个屋顶不是 neighbors 自己弄的，是 by a builder 弄的。Okay, 26. I rode my bike to work yesterday. Keyword yesterday. And you see the keyword yesterday? Confirm, you gotta use past simple. Past simple. So this is past simple. C is the correct answer. 27. Andrea baked the cakes herself. Yeah, because Andrea is a girl. Cannot be myself. If let's say it's myself, you need to say I baked the cake myself. Cannot be itself. If itself refers to animals, animals can't bake the cakes, right? Okay, so the possible answer is B. 28. Your library book has been renewed. Here you are. Okay, first of all, we cannot choose B. Why? This is a library book. 这本书 renew meaning is 更新. If you choose has renewed means 哇，那个书本自己跑去更新. No, no, no. You gotta choose passive. A and C, it's passive form. But why do you choose A? Keyword here you are. 这个是 happening now 的，诶，这个是你的书哦，这个是你的书哦，现在 it is happening now. So you gotta choose has been, present perfect. Okay, you cannot choose had been. Had been is past perfect. That means it happened long time ago. No, because it's still happening now. So your answer is A. 29. Ricky got a plumber to fix the problem with his shower. Right. So same. You cannot use had or made because when you use had or made, there's no to. There's a to here. So the only answer is got. Ricky got a plumber to fix the problem. 30. Maria's new scarf was made, with wool. This is when we say made with, it means made with the ingredient. Ingredient means 材料。那个 scarf 是怎样做的？它是用那个毛去做的，那个羊毛 ，right? 31. Andrew was made to leave his jacket. Okay, so the only answer is to leave. You cannot say was made leave or was made leaving. 32. My computer is in the electronics shop. It is being fixed at the moment. Highlight the keyword at the moment, which means happening now. 我的电脑现在被修理着。Because you see, it, 这个电脑 this it refers to the computer. You can't say it is fixing. It is fixing means, wow, the computer 自己在修理。Cannot. The computer doesn't move. Right? So you got to use passive form. So A and B, they are passive. It's being fixed or has been fixed. So why do we choose A? Because look at the keyword at the moment. So it's being fixed refers to it is being fixed at the moment. 就是现在在被修理着。So what if we change it to active voice? How would it be? It will be, okay, they are fixing my computer at the moment. So this is it, right? So A is the correct answer. 33. If I had woken up earlier, I wouldn't have been late for work. This question is talking about conditionals. And there are 4 types. Type 0, 1, 2, 3. So when you see if and had woken, this is past perfect. And you know this is type 3. When you have past perfect, and here the formula is you gotta add would, have, and past participle form. So the only answer is B. I wouldn't have been late for work. 34. Mike was loading the washing machine while Jenna was tidying the kitchen cupboards. Keyword, while. Past continuous tense. Why? That means in the past, 2 people, there were Mike and Jenna, they were doing something else at the moment. Okay? So was tidying is past continuous tense. So same thing happened here. I'm going to use past continuous tense here. 就是说同一个时间 Mike 在做这一样东西 Jenna 在做这样东西 You got to use past continuous tense. 35. Getting plenty of sleeps helped me focus at college. Okay, so this topic is reflexive. Do you need to add anything here? You don't need to. Why? As I said earlier, focus, concentrate, get up, all these verbs, okay? You don't need to add anything at the back. No need. So C is the correct answer. 36. Who's meeting Ben at the airport tonight? Okay, so who's meeting? So here stands for who is meeting. Cannot choose B, 谁的 meeting? Nope. Cannot choose C, grammatical mistake, who meeting? That's wrong. You gotta add the verb to be. 37. The plants are watered twice a day. Okay, so this is passive, alright? 3 options here, they are passive form. Passive voice means 被动的. The plants are watered twice a day. Okay, so this is passive. What if we change to active voice? Means we water the plants twice a day. Okay, right. Twice a day is like a habit. So that's why we have to use habit. We have to use present simple tense. Okay, so this is active voice. When it change to passive, it will be like this. The plants are watered twice a day. So the only correct answer is A. If you choose B, right, are being watered, when we change to active, it will be we are watering the plants. That's wrong. Because habit, we don't use present continuous tense. Wrong. And what about have been watered? That means when we change to active, it will be we have watered the plants twice a day. That's wrong also. That's wrong also. Okay? So the answer is A. 38. I had my digital TV installed by a technician last week. Okay. Keyword. Last week. Right? So here you gotta use I had. Okay, because it's last week, it's past. So the form is you gotta use had, your object, and this is the past participle. I had my digital TV installed by a technician last week. This is the correct one. A. 39. Larry wishes he could paint like a professional artist. Okay, so C is the correct answer because Larry wishes for himself. Larry 在希望他自己本身. So C is the only answer. 40. Irene is having her tap fixed by a plumber. So A is the correct answer. Why? Okay, because same thing, you gotta have the word have, object, and past participle. B and C, definitely wrong. So A is the correct answer. Right? So that's all for our second video. So if you wish to continue to look at 41, so please refer to video 3, number 3. Thank you.